Okay, welcome back everybody. Once again, we're going to try another video here, and this one here is to address the question that Zimmy had asked about why I chose to put the neckline where I did. And the quick and the short of it really is to identify the area of support relative to the supply. What used to be supply, we just focus on this here previous low, and we took it out quite significantly. Our 150-day moving average is right here, so we also broke through that. I bet you if I scroll down, the volume was probably quite obvious as well. A head and shoulder top really is just another triple top. You have three areas of three highs where the market failed to make subsequent higher highs, and you see here we have a new high, we have a retracement, we make a new high here, we have another retracement, and then we fail to make a newer or take out that previous high. So it's just your triple top can be symmetrical, it can be parallel. It just is an easier pattern to recognize, and whenever you can see three of anything, three bottoms, three tops, it's something that you need to pay attention to. Going one step further, I drew the Fibonacci lines from the high to the low, and the 38.2% retracement is a significant area in Fibonacci studies, and if we look coincidentally, that's pretty much where the previous low was. These are, approximations within a couple points. They don't have to be bang on, although sometimes it's quite surprising. You see right here in this region, you had what I refer to as a tweezer bottom, where the open is equal to the previous close, and we have a perfect flat 2-day period, and that can be recognized also in on a top, which I would call a tweezer top, but that's just another lesson. Anyway, quickly we want to look here at that area now becoming the resistance, and we can see that was the case. Right here there was a pause, and the market, those that wanted to get back to even took the opportunity here, and then we had another opportunity here when we went to this second area of Fibonacci, and now we're moving back in a retracement, and this breakout through here on this 50% is significant. I think that we're pretty safe in this region, because when we look at where we broke out, you have a pretty good basis support or demand. Anybody that failed to get in at the low is now waiting for this to come back, and they'll be buying that market. And same thing, the shorts that didn't get a chance to cover here are going to be wanting to cover here. So I'm just going to move this out, and we're going to look at a couple possibilities here, because the market's dynamic and change any time, and the key to it is being able to see all the probabilities or all the possibilities. And I have to look at it and weigh the pluses and the minuses, and when I'm looking at this here, I see that this moving average, which is the 50-day EMA, is going to act as support. We also have the median of the Bollinger Band, which is the 20-day simple moving average. That's also going to act as an area of support. We also have a base here where we failed to break out previously, so what becomes resistance then becomes support, and that's pretty much where we ended up today. Like, again, I didn't think we were going to do it in 2 days, and so I expect we hold here. The one thing that could throw that into a kilter is if we do take out this 20 SMA and the 50, then we could trace back to here, but that concerns me because we take out this median, and if we do Bollinger studies, Bollinger said that the markets, or an underlying will move from one end of the band to the other, and so that would then be our support level down here. So looking at all the factors, I say we have more pluses up here as a level of support than we do with this target down here, and I think we hold here. Technically we should. That's the expectation. There's the greater probability. Anyways, I hope that answers the question on the neckline, and I just threw in the extra bit of forecasting here, just to take into consideration what I expect should happen, and I guess we'll see. I hope you enjoyed this video, and happy trading, and hope to bring you some more.